Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the slim S Pen case for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Now this is an official Samsung case. You can pick it up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one is $100. Now this one comes in 3 different colors. You got sand, graphite, and icy blue. All right, here we go. Now this is going to be a really quick video. $100, the slim S Pen case. Now, I know somebody's going to say, will this case fit on your Galaxy Z Fold 4? The answer is no. You see the cutout for the flash? So that automatically ends that discussion. Let's grab a little unboxing knife. Here we go. Okay. Now, this is going to be a simple case. Let's see. Got your usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. And, of course, it does come with an S Pen. Okay. Little struggles right here. Okay. I was about to say, did I just pay $100 for no S Pen? Now this is going to be your S Pen tips removal tool. Okay, with some extra tips in there. Let's go ahead and save that. Okay, slide the S Pen to pop out. Okay. Slap it on. Now you see, cut out for the camera. Let's see. Now this does have the tape on it. Now, personally, I don't like to peel the tape off, those little stickers, because I like to switch cases a lot, so I'm going to leave them on. But just for this video, let me show you how they look. Okay. Matter of fact, I think I'm going to have to peel this one off anyway. Why not? Why not? $100, we might as well get the full effect. All right, so peel the little stickers off. Okay, that's going to keep the outer layer on. And then we just, one more. Okay, stickers is trolling. Here we go. Slap this on, just like that. And here we go. Now let's check wireless charge. Okay, there's your wireless charge. Let's see. Now it actually makes it easier to open and close the phone up. Okay, now, yeah, this one you might definitely need the stickers because it's not a tight fit on the outside case. Okay, now it's fitting good. Okay, let's go ahead and make sure we get it nice and stuck in there. Yeah, this one you're definitely going to need the stickers on. Okay, there it is. Now again, this case makes it a lot easier to unfold. Let's see if we could do the one hand. Okay, we could do the one hand. Easy. Why am I zoomed in so much? All right. Now let's see. How do we get to this S Pen? Okay, you press the little button down, and here's your S Pen. Let's see. Slap it right back in there. Oh, and locks into place. No flappage on there. Let's check the razivity. Maximum razivity, so it is Slime Boy certified. There's all the cutouts. Everything lines up. And again, easy open and close. Okay. You can't see the hinge. Let's see. Now, it's going to be a little wobbly, but not as big as you see some of those cases with the big hinge. It's like a seesaw. This is just minimum wobblage. Okay, minimum wobblage. But I like the fact that now I can easily get my one hand flip a lot easier. Okay, so let's try this at home. Okay, somebody's calling me on the phone. Oh, hold on a second. I need to go to flex mode. Flex it open just like that, and close with one hand. So this is an easy one hand open and close case. Bang, just like that. Get to the S Pen. Let's see. Now I got to get in the habit of pressing the button down to pull out the S Pen. Let's see. Can we put the S Pen in wrong? Yeah, okay, so it has to go flat. Otherwise, you're not going to get that little snap. Let's do that again. Okay, so it can be either direction with the button. You see the button can be face up or face down, but as long as it's flat, you're going to get that snap into place. All right, so after a couple of days, I get the hang of just pulling this out like that, but this is way better. Y'all remember this case? All right, this one with the S Pen that could just easily pop out. And look at the difference in the S Pen, matter of fact. Let's go ahead and pop this one out. The S Pen is a lot thinner. Let me see now. Personally, I do kind of like it thicker. Giggity. This feels more like a real pencil. This is very thin, but okay, this is nice too, though. This is nice too. Let's see. Now let's try this. Let's try this quick. Now say something happened. I got to get to my S Pen quick. Hold on a second. Okay, yeah. Once you get the hang of it, it just feels like you want to press up, but once you get the hang of pressing down, nice and fast. Okay, just make sure you put the bottom in first. get that slack. All right, so let's try this. Okay, take out my S Pen, drop it on the table, one hand flex, okay? And of course, the S Pen actually works. Okay, so let's see. This is the actual case I was just looking at just now. Here's the colors sand, graphite. Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah, all of this is do smart select real quick. Yeah, okay. So the S Pen, everything works. Pin that to screen, keep it moving. Then when you're done, yeah, once you get the hang of this, this is going to be the case right here. Now, $100, it's a little bit pricey. It's a little bit pricey, but it does come with the S Pen. I think the S Pen goes for $50, $60 by itself. So it's not a bad deal. Not a bad deal at all. All right, why do I like slamming this shit closed so hard? I don't know. I'm so heavy-handed. But it definitely makes it easier. Without the case, if you notice, like when the sides is all flush, sometimes you find yourself, if you like me and you keep short fingernails, you find yourself going like this to open it. But when you add a case, just put your fingers right on the sides of the case, and now it makes it so much easier to open and close. Let me do this. Now, I'm actually got my eyes closed right now. Yeah, just like that. Okay, so this case is going to be worth it for me. I'm feeling it already. All right, so I told you I'm going to keep this short and sweet. This is the Slim S Pen case for your Galaxy Z Fold 5. Full review coming up in a couple of days. Did I fall in love with this phone again? I'm going to say, yes, I did. Yes, I did. I mean, I've been using the... Let me talk some shit for a minute. Let me talk some shit for a minute. I've been using the Pixel Fold for the last couple of days. I've been using the Vivo X Fold 2 and this. And I've been using them all, basically 3 folds a day. Just trying to see which one do I love the most. As far as the build quality, I like the outer display on the Pixel Fold. Okay? As far as the overall build, I like the Vivo X Fold 2. But the software, the Galaxy has the best software, okay, the user experience and the optimization. Now, I'm not going to go into a full review right now. Okay, but I want to show y'all something. The optimization. You see when you go to Instagram, when you go to Instagram, right? It looks like this. Regular Instagram with all your tabs on the bottom. But when you open it up, look how this tablet is optimized for Instagram. You see all your tabs on the side now. You know what I'm saying? All right, anyway. Let me wrap this video up. This is supposed to be about the Slim S Pen case. Oh, matter of fact, I want to check one more thing. All right, so let's get to the pen. Now, say we pop this open. Let's take it back to Instagram. Okay, now let's try something. This is how I like to scroll on Instagram. Okay, just minding my business, getting a little scroll. Then at any moment, you know what I'm saying? You hit that little pen button. Okay, we do a smart select. Okay. Pin that to the screen for motivation and keep it moving. All right, anyway. I know, I'm just trolling. This is the Slim S Pen case. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Flossy, man. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up. Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.